Using the selection tool in Camtasia, you can easily add media at the beginning of a video or in the middle, even if you've already begun your editing process. Here's how you do it. First, you want to grab the selection tool, which is attached to the top of the playhead here in the timeline, and then find the place you want to insert the media. In this case, we'll put media right here at the 11-second mark. Simply click and hold the Shift key on your keyboard, and click and drag the playhead to the right. What this does is creates a space on your timeline to be able to insert media and keeps everything to the right of it in sync. Now simply go to your media bin or wherever you have the media located and drag it into place. In this case, we're going to use this Grand Canyon landscape video. Now to close the gap, we simply double click on the leftmost media that we moved, hold the Shift key again, and click and drag the playhead until the media is matched. Now there's a seamless edit between the media we had and the media we added. The same thing can be done at the beginning of your timeline. Simply bring your playhead to the beginning of the timeline, hold Shift, click and drag to the right to create a gap, and then insert the media at the beginning, which could be any MP4, image, or any of the built-in media associated with the library in Camtasia. Double-click on the media that we moved, hold Shift, click and drag the playhead, and you're good to go.